This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cami Alberts. Immaculate, updated 2-house condo with laundry room and bonus room. Decorator touches throughout this first floor corner unit rarely available. Hardwood floors in all living areas and tile in bedrooms and bathrooms. Wide open kitchen offers granite, tumblestone backsplash, newer appliances and counter seating for casual dining. Large dining, living room combo with loads of natural light. Hurricane impact windows and front door. Loads of natural light. Bonus room offers a built-in desk. All-age community offers 2 pools and 2 clubhouses. Centrally located, close to shopping, hospital, eateries and beaches. 1 cat or dog 20 pounds or less. Associates requires 20% down. Rent after 2 years. No trucks, commercial vehicles or motorcycles. 1 assigned parking spot, plenty of guest parking. This beauty won't last. For more information, review the details below.